Next question. What determine the taxability in the independent cases? What are the independent cases? Service by way of training or coaching in recreational activity relating to art and culture. So what is this? So it is exempted. How? So in GST is exempted. Where it is mentioned? It is mentioned in 80 NN 1217 CT. Rate exempt training or coaching in recreational activity relating to art and culture. So art and culture we train them. It's exempted. No, it's entry 80. Very good. Service provided by the player to franchisee. So player is providing service to franchisee. Good. Which is not recognized sports body. Not recognized sports body, they are providing service. Then what? It's taxable. Taxable. Entry 68, exam. Next entry 68, number 12 to 17. If the service is being provided to recognized sports body, na, it is exempted. As if the service is not provided to recognized sports body, it is taxable. Next, services to by way of public conveyances. That is washroom facilities. Sir, I am having a washroom business, sir. Toilets, public toilets. Is it taxable entry? So it is exempted. Where it is being said, it is sent in the entry 76. What is the circular number 12 2017? Especially exam public conveyance services for GST liabilities not taxable in the case of washroom facility. I am providing a washroom facility. It's not taxable, it is exempted.